Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today I am super excited to bring you my unboxing and on-feet review of the Nike Air Max 2090. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We do constant giveaways here on the vlog. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do that now. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, you can also do that. And you can also like my Facebook page. The links to all of the accounts plus links to any ongoing giveaway can be found in the description box. Good luck. Now, usually this is the part where I give you a backgrounder of the sneaker and I talk about the history, the design, the style. We will put that last because I'm just super excited to put this on feet and get a feel for it. I'm a fan of the Air Max 90 and I am super excited to see what Nike did to make the 90 relevant again to the next generation. So let's put it on feet and I'll share with you guys my very first impressions on seeing it as well as getting a feel for it as I, well, walk around in the shoes. Let's go. So here we have the box. It's your typical red, white Nike box with the swoosh. I did go size 13 for this particular shoe, which is my usual style for Nike. But please do take note, I have wide feet. I mean, yeah, wide feet. So if I box open, this is what the sneaker looks like. I will save my impressions on the style and the look because I just want to get the feel for it first. So yeah. Okay, so we have the sneakers on feet right now. And as far as initial impressions go, first up in terms of trying to slip it on, it was so easy because of the pull tab. So this one made it such an easy slip-on shoe, and you can actually just keep it laced and just insert your foot and then pull on this so that it slides in easily. Now, in terms of comfort, I am totally blown away. I mean, the transition from the Air unit to the phone is seamless. It just feels like one motion, unlike the issue that I had with the Air Max 270 React, wherein the React midsole was just this part from before, was just too mushy, and it felt so different from the Air at the back. This one is just super balanced. So I love the cushioning on this one. I love the stability. I love the support. As far as initial impressions go for on feet and comfort, this is easily 2 thumbs up, super comfortable. Easy 9 out of 10. Okay guys, so we're back here in the studio so I can share with you more thoughts about the design. Several things. First up, it reminds me more of, and I'm just being honest, it reminds me more of the Air Max 270 instead of the Air Max 90 because of the shape, because of the styling, and even how they constructed the Air while this part is not visible and it has the aerodynamic lines of the 90. It's still, the shape really just screams Air Max 270 more than 90. Now, having said that, I still love the fact they did the hat tip for the 90 through, well, the medallion here at the back with the aerodynamic lines. Just so you guys have a point of comparison, this is the Air Max 90 2020 edition. So you see the similarities for the medallion with the lines. So they also extended that aerodynamic lines here at the heel. And yeah, that's pretty much, well, the Air unit as well. And apparently the Air unit, the visible Air unit that you get with the 2090 is like 200% more than the Air that you would get with the OG 90. So I think if you put it side by side, it's pretty obvious how bigger the Air is for this one compared to this. So as a current trendy lifestyle sneaker, I really have no complaints because the colors, the styling is pretty much up to date. You have the exposed stitching, you have different materials, you have that super comfortable build of the Air unit at the back combined with some sort of like foam that's not React, but it is awesome, and the cushioning is insane. So I really have no complaints insofar as the look and style of the sneaker and the feel deliver. However, I do have one concern because if you watch the video wherein the designers talked about what they wanted to achieve with the Air Max 2090, I think it kind of falls short of their goal. So what did the designers want to do? They wanted to create a generational iconic sneaker for this generation. Their thinking is that this generation of maybe the millennials and Gen Z don't have a sneaker that they can call their own. they feel that the Air Max 90 and the other OGs are sneakers that the previous generation owns and the previous generation relates to because they were either born or they were, you know, getting into sneakers at that particular era, and this generation doesn't have that yet. I kind of disagree with that because you actually see this particular generation already gravitating towards some sneakers made by certain artists and several people that they idolize and that they follow. And apart from that, there's a segment of this generation that goes towards sneakers that are more in tune with sustainability and environmental friendliness and social awareness. And those are the things that they look for. And that, I think, is where the Air Max 2090 kind of falls short. I mean, it's a great shoe. It's a super comfortable shoe. I would wear it often. However, if you set a bar so high as to want this to become like the next generational sneaker that this generation will own and think of it as iconic, for example, as the 90 was to the previous generation, I really don't think it delivers that. It's a good shoe. It's a fantastic shoe, but only time will tell. And time will prove me wrong if, well, this generation will actually embrace the shoe as much as the previous guys embraced this one. So, do I recommend the Air Max 2090? Despite everything I just said, it's actually a big yes. I mean, if you're looking for an everyday sneaker that you want to beat up and you just want to wear casually, and you just want to wear for going out with your friends, you know, going to the mall and stuff, after the lockdown, obviously, then you go for this one. I think that it delivers exceptional value insofar as style and comfort are involved. And the good part is that there are several colorways available already via the Nike Philippines website, including Nike ID. So you can actually design your own Air Max 2090 right now via the Nike website. So that's actually it for the review part of the Nike Air Max 2090. Now at this point, I just want to share some thoughts. To those who live in the Philippines, our lockdown got extended. So, well, to those who don't know, that's what happened. Our lockdown got extended. So, I just wanted to share my insights and my thoughts on that. So this is like our Power Up Words of Wisdom segment. I think that this is such an important time for us to spread as much joy as we can to the circles around us. Now, what does that mean? If you can just call people, you know, that you haven't talked to in a while, just say hello, just kamustahin nyo lang, a message or a text or, you know, a DM, I think would go really far. Just let them know that you're here and that you're wondering about how they are, and that you're just kinakamusta nyo lang, because that is such a powerful thing to do these days. And that might even allow you to reconnect and build like a new friendship altogether. Another thing you can do is that if there's anybody who has wronged you in the past, you might want to forgive them now and send them a note that things are okay, especially now that it is Holy Week. We are entering Holy Week here in the Philippines as I record this vlog. So you might want to also do that as well. Or you might want to do random acts of kindness. You might want to donate. You might want to bless others. You might want to bless others with actual money based on what they say on social media or whatever. I guess my main point is we really have to be vessels of light in today's situation wherein there's just so much negativity and there's so much sadness and there's so much fear. So if that can be you, if you can be that person in your circle, in your network that will spread that positivity, not toxic positivity, but really just joy and a sense of caringness, a sense of concern and genuine, sincere love, that would be awesome, right? Now, I'd like to end the vlog by sharing something that happened to me. So, I'm a huge WWE fan. In fact, I just watched WrestleMania, which is weird because they had no crowd. And I just have a fun story to end the vlog with. So Mick Foley, which is one of my favorite wrestlers of all time, sends out a tweet. He says, hey, I want to do like a message for people who will DM me just for you to have a nice day. So I DM'd him, told him about my favorite match of his. And I say, hey, can you please say hi to me and my wife, Carla and Michelle? And he sent back a video. So he sent back a video saying hi to me and Mitch, talking about the match that I thought was his very best. And man, it just brought a smile on my face. And it was just so awesome. It was just so crazy. It lit my day up. And that, I think, is the feeling that you would want to bless others with. Now, obviously, we're not Mick Foleys, we're not wrestlers, we're not superstars, but your word will matter to people around you. You don't have to be a celebrity to do that, guys. So again, the Power Up Words of Wisdom for today. just spread the love, spread the joy. It's not toxic positivity to show concern and to show care.
Hello, Carlo and Michelle. Are you guys in Europe or the UK? Otherwise, it's 5 a.m. This is Mick Foley sending you a little video, thanking you guys for being fans. Probably should have my bottom teeth in, but I don't. I'm going to go to sleep in probably a few minutes, so you are only the second video I am sending out. Thank you so much, and I'm glad you enjoyed the Royal Rumble. That was very memorable. None of us knew it at the time. I was just so concerned with changing my boots 3 times.
And before we really end the vlog, let me just say that I still have one more shoe that I will it's a good thing I'm not running out of sneakers to unbox. Thank you, Nike, for being able to deliver orders. So I have one more sneaker that I'll be unboxing very soon. I'll just give you guys a teaser. It's obviously a Jordan. It is a Jordan 1, so watch out for the unboxing of this one. Maybe tomorrow or the day after. I also still have a couple of Jordan 1s and the LV sneaker that I showed you guys in the past. So we still have some content lined up as the lockdown, you know, happens. I'm worried because after I run out of the shoes, I don't know what content to make anymore for you guys. So let's just see what happens. Anyway, that's it for now. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.